promising from Bayern. Chance not apparent yet. The goalkeeper more than ready for it. It's put into the middle. Well, what an exciting game we have in store today. The anticipation has been building up, and we're just moments away from kickoff. Hello to you from Wolfsburg's Volkswagen Arena. I'm Guy Mowbray with the former Arsenal and West Ham midfielder Stuart Robson alongside me. And we've got a Bundesliga game for you on the way. What are your expectations from this?
Well, this should be interesting today. I like the makeup of both teams. They really do have a good balance of attacking and defensive qualities. But the team that has the greater desire will probably come out on top.
Here's how Wolfsburg line up.
Well, I'm just a little worried. They might be too negative here. They're certainly going to be hard to break down with that five-man midfield. But will they have enough going the other way? I'm not sure.
A big area to progress into here. Put into the box. And that's where it ends, with possession lost. Lovro Mayer. It's all over as the ref blows for full time.
The manager has made his choice, and it's a bold one, leaving such a key player on the bench. Hello and welcome on this very wintry day. Conditions far from ideal. I'm Derek Ray, and sharing commentary with me, as usual, is Stuart Robson. I'm looking forward to bringing you action from the Bundesliga. What are you expecting? Well, thumped clear. And the referee takes exception to the challenge. Free kick. Pushing for it, and now they've been rewarded.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. And there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
So underway again here.
Top bins, no goalkeeper was stopping that one.
Real chance. And a goal! Cause for celebrations again. 2 in front.
Well, here it is again. It's a wonderfully weighted ball over the top, and the timing of the run is just as good. As for the finish, it was never in doubt.
It has gone over the touchline for what will be a throw-in. Corner awarded. Trying to deliver it accurately. Well, and there goes the final whistle. And the home fans are going to be happy about this outcome.
Well, we talked about their struggles in front of goal, but today they were excellent going forward. There was a real zip about their pass.
There's a real sense of tension in the air, with a manager who's got to find a way to get players on side and fans believing. Make no mistake, this is a high... A warm, if wet, welcome to you. Conditions not ideal here this evening. Joining me, Guy Mowbray, for commentary will be Sue Smith. And we've got Bundesliga action for you here. Your thoughts on this game then, Sue?
Well, it's so loud in here, isn't it? The fans are really up for this one, and I'm sure the managers will be reminding them, remember what you need to focus on and block out all of that noise.
This is the home side's team today.
Yeah, it looks to be a 3-5-2, a defensive formation with the 3 centre-backs, 3 central midfielders giving a strong core to the side. It's just essential that they've got those real athletic wing-backs who can get up and down for the entire game.
This looks promising from Bayern. Chance not apparent yet. The goalkeeper more than ready for it. It's put into the middle. Secure hands, calmly taken. They've been on the wrong end of this fixture of late, and that really needs to change.
Yeah, it does, and they've not got the best record against them, have they? I'm sure the manager's going to have a plan today. Let's see how they go, eh?
Now, this might be promising. The defence has done its job to stop any trouble brewing.
I've been impressed with how they've closed down and stopped attacks quickly.
Nice possession. Chance to score! Keeps it out and crucially keeps it away.
Well, it was a great save, that, from the keeper. Showed his agility there to keep the ball out. It's a real important save to keep it all square.
And the defender in the right place to stop it. Sent into the middle. And it won't be going any further. The whistle goes for a free kick, and this could be really promising. And it's off the bar. That was a really well-hit free kick.
Oh,
That was a
Nathan.
lovely shot. They could score here soon. There was no margin for error with that. It's a quite wonderful hit.
Yeah, it's a great strike. What a rocket. He catches it so sweetly. The keeper's got absolutely no chance. It's a superb finish.
And we're back underway. The deadlock having finally been broken. That has gone out. It will be a throw. Played in with that. That's cut out quickly and easily. To rest on until the end.
Look at this lovely ball threaded through. Really good vision to set it up. And once he's in, it's all about the finish. No messing around. And just blasts it past the keeper. So emphatic. What a hit.
So off we go. 2-0 the score now. Just 5 minutes remaining. Really good pass. And you can there. Here's a change for... Bayern. Musiala. There is the final whistle. Plenty of positives for them to take away, not least the 3 points, Sue.
Yeah, it was a positive performance. Some of the play today was...
About building a team, and the way the fan support improves, he's got every... Well, the weather really couldn't be any better here today. A very warm welcome to you on this fine day. I'm Guy Mowbray, and I'm joined by Sue Smith for commentary, and we've got live Bundesliga action on the way. What are we going to get from this one?
It's great to be here. I think it's important that both teams are focused from the off, though, and they start quickly. But I'd love to see some goals. Hopefully I've not just cursed it.
This is the visitors' team for today.
Yeah, it looks like a 4-3-3, and they are really good out wide. The relationships with both wingers and fullbacks are great, and the latter constantly providing overlaps to create 2v1 situations. Both have got good delivery, so it's just about getting on the end of things.
Now, a sense that something could happen from this. Having to stay patient here. Well, that hasn't taken long. In front already.
Well, if we watch this again, it's all about being alert in and around the box. And when the ball falls to him, he's clinical. That's a...
Been confirmed, so the will they or won't they discussions can now end.
Yeah, he seems happy about...
Good opportunity. And they've levelled it up. Nothing to split them once more.
Well, here it is again. It's difficult for the goalkeeper, 2v1. He makes the right decision, lays it off for an easy tap-in. It's defensively poor, though.
So it's 1 each as the game restarts. Passing and the movement is good here.
Well, it's all about finding the right pass, isn't it? As you can see, Leipzig have had the majority of possession, but the standards just haven't been up to what we'd expect from them. They'll know that, and I fully expect the tempo and the quality in attack to improve, especially if they're going to go on and win this.
And first of all, they'll need to win the ball back. Heads it through, and played in now. And there's the goal to put them in front.
Well, here's the replay, and it's an inch-perfect pass this is. Shows great awareness to set up the chance. And it's good movement to get on the end of it. Really shows his composure in front of goal, doesn't he?
So that makes it 2-1, and away we go again. Over to Alex Scott now. She's got a goal at Borussia Dortmund to report.
Yeah, it's a goal for Leverkusen. They've scored the opener here with 64 minutes played.
Alex there ensuring we don't miss a thing. Daniel Munoz. That's not a bad-looking ball. On the wrong side of the... Defence offside. Good ball, decent looking attack this. Moving the ball well here, looking to extend the lead. Good possession with a gear change coming. terrific effort. That would have been special.
Well, he watches the ball all the way, connects with it perfectly, but just can't find the accuracy. It's a great effort, though.
Only 15 minutes left for play now. An attack of genuine promise developing. Decent delivery. And a really good bit of goalkeeping to keep out the headed attempt. Corner then for Leipzig as they look for the equaliser. The defensive positioning spot on. Well, that's not going to cut it. Under pressure, it's been sorted out by an alert goalkeeper. We're hearing now of developments at the Rhein-Energie Stadion. Alex Scott has goal news.
It's a
Hold
goal.
on, chance! And that one is got away. There's something on here, a chance to attack. Could be all square here. It's a really promising break. And it's opened up. A heroic stop. And the referee has given a penalty. This for the equaliser. And they have paid the penalty. It's been dispatched. All square then, as they get things going again.
Well, it's so noisy in here, and the fans are really pushing their side on. They know there's still time for one last chance to get the winner.
Looking for an angle here. And what a challenge! Really nicely played. What can they do with this now? And that is the final whistle. Well, nothing to split the two. Trust of the players and the fans' approval sky high right now. This manager clearly has won the... A warm welcome to you and thanks for joining us for another game live on EA TV. I'm Guy Mowbray and I'm joined by Sue Smith on the gantry. And we've got live Bundesliga action on the way.
Oh, they could be in here.
It's not clear yet. Chance. It's still up for grabs. Oh, wonderful stop.
Yeah, he didn't have long to react, did he? His reflexes are absolutely outstanding.
This could be it. Fearless block. Hearing now of developments in the Bayern game. Alex Scott has goal news.
It's a goal for Wolfsburg. They've scored the opener here with only 9 minutes played.
Thanks, Alex, as always. This is how Augsburg line up.
Yeah, they're playing a 4-3-3. One central striker with the wingers providing the width. A quite narrow three in midfield and then a back four with the full-backs. They're going to be expected to get up and down those flanks.
Oh, good opportunity. It's there. That changes things. A goal for 1-0.
Well, here it is again, and he shows his quality to beat his man, find a yard of space, and then his finish. It's quality, that.
And the game restarts with... And that will be a penalty. To extend the lead. Saved! Nope, and deflected by the keeper against the crossbar. Excellent reading of the game to win the ball. And it's on now. And there's another one. Valuable breathing space for them now.
Well, if we watch this again, it's a tidy finish, and it's certainly been coming. The pressure's been building, and they've got their rewards.
Teeing up the chance now. A little too strong, and the goalkeeper will get it.
Just needed to take a bit off, didn't he?
Just breaking off for a moment here because Alex has a goal for us at Bayern Munich.
It's a goal for Bayern Munich. The defender was caught in possession just before the goal. He won't want to be watching that back. They've pulled one back and now trail by 1 with 10 minutes left on the clock.
As ever, thank you, Alex. And the attack is over. Coming in field now. Well, that's how to clear it. Alexis Claude Maurice. There is the final whistle. Plenty of positives for them to take away, not least the 3 points, Sue.
Yeah,